Well, hi everyone, it's Diana from Mesa County Libraries. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to braid a paper bookmark, so let's get started. Okay, so here are the supplies that you'll need to braid a paper bookmark. You need 3 pieces of thin paper strips, 3 different colors if you have them. You also need scissors and a glue stick. Okay, so vertically line up your 3 strips of paper. Next, take 2 strips and make them meet at the top corner. We call that being perpendicular to each other and glue them together. Then you'll glue the last strip on top of the second strip. The first and last strips are going in the same direction, also known as being parallel. Now add a small amount of glue to the top of the last strip, just above the top row. Fold over the strip on the left and press on top of the glue. Glue a small amount on top of the strip you just folded over. Fold over the strip on the right and press on the glue. Repeat the process until you can't braid anymore. Cut off the extra paper strip pieces at the ends. All right, well, I hope you have fun braiding your paper bookmark. If you're interested in doing other paper crafts, we have some great books available to check out at all of our library locations. Here are a few examples. Also, if you like learning how things are made, you can watch a video on Kids Canopy, all about how paper is made in a factory. Just go to Canopy Kids on our website, sign in with your library card and password, and type in the word paper, P-A-P-E-R, and enjoy. Bye, everyone. Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Lib in your post.